Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5078885 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to open Windows settings and then go to Windows update, and over here you can see pause option. Hit pause over here, and once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Sometimes simply pausing and resuming the update fix the problem. If that does not work, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on background intelligent transfer service and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back, and if you see retry option, hit retry and then update your Windows 10. Still not working. The next step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can open Windows settings and then go to update and security and then go to troubleshoot option. Over here you can see additional troubleshooters, click on it and then click on Windows update, click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 10. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5078885. so you can just type in the name of the update, then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command, and over here check your version. In my case the version is version 22H2, so check your version and then check your system type. So open Windows settings and then go to home, go to system and then go to about option, scroll down about and check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system, so for me it's 64-bit. so for me it's Windows 11 version 22H2 to Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. So if you have Windows 11 version 21H2 x64 for cumulative, Windows 10 version 21H2 x64, this is the right one. This is LTSB. So select the right update for you, Windows 11 version 21H2 x64. So for me it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Click on download and then you have to click on KB5078885 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here. And then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer, restart your computer, log into the computer, and then update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.